Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Today, we're all about crypto, digging into this thing called the meme coin supercycle. For those crypto newbies, meme coins are basically digital money inspired by funny online stuff and pop culture trends. Remember Doge, the Shiba Inu pup that blew up online? Someone made a coin out of it, and boom, it went crazy. But are these meme coins just a passing fancy? Or is there more to this supercycle talk? Let's break it down in a chill way. Meme coin supercycle. Imagine a super intense rollercoaster ride. That's kind of what a supercycle is, but for the price of a bunch of investments, like crypto in this case. The idea is that meme coins are on a long ride with prices going way up, like that rollercoaster climbing to crazy heights. This supercycle theory is all about a recent Bitcoin thing called the halving. Basically, every so often, the number of new Bitcoins created gets cut in half. This, in theory, makes them rarer and more valuable, potentially pushing Bitcoin's price higher. Here's the connection. Some investors think that when Bitcoin goes up, it pulls other cryptos along for the ride, including meme coins. So, the Bitcoin halving could be the spark that ignites this meme coin supercycle. Why do investors think this is real? There are a few reasons why some folks are feeling good about meme coins. Remember Doge? It wasn't the only one. Shiba Inu and others like Floki Inu have also seen wild price jumps. This whole meme coin craze has gotten a lot of new people interested in crypto, bringing in more cash. Let's be real, social media can be super powerful. Tweets and endorsements from famous people can make meme coin prices skyrocket. It's a bit of a gamble, but some investors believe the hype is for real. Believe it or not, even big companies are starting to check out crypto. While they might not be going all in on meme coins, them being involved in crypto overall could be good for meme coins too. Now, before you jump into meme coins thinking you'll be a crypto millionaire overnight, there are some super important things to consider. Remember that roller coaster ride analogy? Well, meme coins can be just as crazy. Their prices can go up and down super fast, meaning you could lose a lot of money really quickly. Meme coins are a pretty fresh thing. It's unclear if they'll be around for the long haul. Unlike older cryptos with real-world uses, meme coins are mostly driven by hype. The meme coin supercycle is an interesting idea, but it's important to be careful. While there might be some truth to it, it's not guaranteed. Focus on learning about the tech behind meme coins, the project itself, and the risks involved. Remember, there's no shortcut to getting rich in crypto. So, what do you guys think? Is there a meme coin supercycle happening, or is it all just Doge hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Trading Critique for more crypto content. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.